This is a rapid tutorial for how to create a checklist based on a polygon. I'm going to demonstrate this in the Synapse portal, but this can be done in any Symbiota portal. First, you'll want to create your checklist. So log in, and you might need to create a profile to do this, and go to My Profile. On the Species Checklist tab, click the plus icon, and then name your checklist. You can add other metadata here. Keep it as a general checklist. You can add an abstract, including links, images, etc. And then here is actually where you're going to define the polygon that is the boundaries of your research checklist. Scroll down to where it says Polygon Footprint and click the globe icon. And here you can either create a polygon using the tool, or if you scroll down, you can see that there is a place to enter a polygon here. Now be aware that sometimes polygons list the lat first and then the long, and sometimes they do the long and then the lat. In this case, whatever it is not what the checklist tool expects, so I'm going to click Switch Lat and Long Coordinates, redraw, and that looks more like what I expect. However, the polygon that I'm going to use is this one. For the Grass Valley Wilderness area. Once you have created your polygon, click Save Polygons, and it will save into your checklist. Select any other display settings and click Create Checklist. From here, you'll want to go into the Voucher tool. This is how we're going to add specimens and therefore species to my checklist. And here it's asking us to give a search statement by which it will search for specimen records. All I want to do is click Search based on Polygon defining checklist research boundaries, this second checkbox here. Click Save Search Terms. Then I navigate to the Missing Taxa tab. And this is giving me a list of taxa that are found in my polygon in this portal, but aren't included in my checklist. I'm going to change the display mode to batch linking so that I can see a list of all of those specimens, and then I can evaluate which ones I want to add to my checklist. These are all voucher specimens, and as you can see, there may be multiple specimens associated with one scientific name. So you can choose which vouchers you want to include and or which names you want to include. If you want to include them all, you can click the top leftmost checkbox, scroll down to the bottom, and then you can decide whether you're adding the name using the current taxonomy. You can add the names without linking the vouchers if you don't actually want a list of specimens, you just want a list of species found in that area. But I'm going to keep the vouchers, and if I click Submit Vouchers, it has added them all to the checklist. Then I can return to the checklist using this top left navigation button. And now I see my checklist here. These were all the specimens found in that search area. If I want to download this checklist and all the vouchers, this button over here that says Download Checklist will allow me to download just the scientific names. If I want to download all the vouchers as well, I'll click on this Vouchers tab, I'll click on Reports, and there are multiple other ways that I can download the data associated with this checklist. And that's it.